What's good, YouTube? It's Wave Reactions, and I'm back with another video. So today, I was up playing Fortnite all night, and I forgot to put my do-rag on. I don't know how, don't ask me. But this video today, I'm about to talk about how to get your waves back. Well, they still in there, but how to get your waves back when you sleep without a do-rag. Let's get it.
Yeah, 5,500 for a new pair of titties, I bound like Jordan. Give her a couple thousand, now she feeling important. Dick her down, she be gone by the morning. She got them ass shots that I like. Papa Addy, we be fucking all night. She said she got a man, but it's alright. Shoot out of town, first class flight. 5,500 for a new pair of titties, I bound like Jordan. Give her a couple thousand, now she feeling important. Dick her down, she be gone by the morning.
So once you wake up, first you take your comb and just comb it into place. Comb it how you brush your hair. Use the smaller side because you want to stretch out your waves. Make sure you're going all the way from the crown. The reason I cut out this part of the video is because the toilet was making some type of noise. But what I'm doing right now is hitting it with the brush as I'm laying it down with the plastic bag. So what the brush is doing is putting it in place, and the plastic bag is laying it down. My bad, I keep changing locations. But after that, once you do, after you brush and hit the plastic bag, after that all you do is hit the plastic bag. Doing the plastic bag kind of rough just to lay it down extra better than how it was. So after that, what you do is rag up, and after that, if your waves is not back, you do the wash and style video. If you don't know how to do wash and style, check my other video out so you could learn how to do it. You know you got good waves if you can see them through the do-rag. So that's my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let's get wavy.
Hey, City on